So my son's school kicked him out for coughing today. And I don't know if that's the only thing he got kicked out for, because he sure is manipulative. Wonder where he learned that from. But this coronavirus is nothing to mess around with. So if your kid is coughing, don't take him to the doctors because everybody's sick there. But just don't bring him to school and get his little cough taken care of. Unless he's kicking somebody in the foot and nobody knows about it until the person tells on him. So, anyways, best of luck to y'all. Wear gloves, masks, and Lysol works. See ya.